Now, when you say threat is a very generic word, right? So which is anything can be a threat, as I said. Now, what is the next is a vulnerability, right? Now a threat is I am a hacker. I could be a threat too. And if let's say if I have a web application, so if I'm a hacker, I know I'm a potential threat to you. Now, what I will do as a hacker is my job is to my objective is to attack your web application, let's say, right? And how will I do it? Obviously, the way I will do it, I will try to find a loophole into your system. I'm trying to find a option or a opportunity where I can see that can I get into your system, can I break into your system and stuff like that. So if I do a simply metaphoric example of real life, let's say if I'm a thief and I'm trying to break into your house, right? What is my objective is, obviously to break into your house, and I will not actually go and try to start immediately go and start breaking the wall, right? What I'll do is first I'll try to find what are the doors and windows are there, and then which door has probably the weaker lock. The lock is not strong enough so that I can, break it, using my power and strength. And then if I can break it, then obviously I'll go for that one and I'll go into it. So same way, there are various vulnerabilities possible in applications. Now these are some of the name of the vulnerabilities, which is called SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication. So as a hacker, what we do is we first learn all this technique and we're well aware of this. So whenever I need to attack, let's say a specific application or a server, what I try to do is first we try to find if any of these vulnerabilities are available in the system or not, right? So these are, as I said, these are weakness in the system. Can I find any of this such weakness in the system or not? If I find this weakness, I can then further exploit it. I can then further use that to gain access to the system, right? So that's why we do something called vulnerability analysis, VA. VA stands for vulnerability analysis. So we do a vulnerability analysis, or another term for this is called penetration testing. We do PT, penetration testing. So VA, PT, that's a normal way of doing it. We do this to find these vulnerabilities, and once we find this vulnerability, if I am a good guy, my job is to report it back to the company. And if I'm a bad guy, obviously I'll try to exploit it and steal the data and exploit it further from them, right? So that's what I do. So we will these are things which you should learn when you are actually getting into cybersecurity. We will touch upon quickly, probably first two of it, and let's see how it goes.